In this video I'm showing how to replace the license plate bulbs on a 2016 Ford F-150. To begin, you just have to get up under the truck and then look back inside of the bumper where the lights are. I did lower the spare tire just to make it easier to record, but it's not required. There's plenty of room to get to it with the spare in place. All you have to do here is push in on the plastic tab that holds the light in place, and it's the same on both sides. Then we can pull the light through the hole in the bumper and give the cover a quarter turn to remove it. And then you can remove the bulb. The replacement bulbs for these are pretty cheap. I got mine from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description for the ones that I used. The new bulb plugs in just like the old one came out. You just push it into the light. After the new bulb is in, you can put the cover back on and give it a quarter turn to the right so everything stays together. Then you can just press down on the light to snap it back into the bumper. Alright, same thing on the other side here. Quarter turn to remove the cover. Pull on the bulb and it should come right out. New bulb goes in. Cover goes back on. And the light gets snapped back into place. I don't need any unwelcome attention from the 5.0.
You have a problem driving under the influence, don't you?
No, actually I'm pretty damn good at it.
So I turned the truck on to give it a quick test, and I'm seeing light on both sides. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.